Hey guys, it's Ashley and I want to tell you about 6981 State Road Z out in Fulton. This is a great new listing that our team is bringing on. You don't want to miss it if you are looking for a cute home with a little bit of land. It sits on 3 acres. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The kitchen and bathrooms have been updated. So there's very nice paint throughout. You're going to love the backsplash in the kitchen, and you're going to love that you have a lot of privacy, and it's just a beautiful setting. If you'd like to take a look at this home, feel free to give our office a call, and also just sit back and enjoy this video tour.